beef empanada. Look at that. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is the Tinker and Cook, and for today's video I made this previously, and it requires a lot of work, but nonetheless I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna make an empanada, and I'm gonna call it a smoky beef empanada. And because I don't have a proper kitchen here, I tried the best that I can. I'm just renting a room because I just transferred. I'm just still on my 3rd month here in the new place, and I'm bored, so I was thinking that cooking is one of those things that I love to do. First, this is shredded beef meat. What I did about this one is I just use my slow cooker, and I think I cook it for 4 hours, and I shredded it into small pieces like this. This is a shredded beef. And then I also prepared mashed potatoes. This is gonna be one of the filling of the empanada. It's a little bit light brown. I purposely did that because how can I say it? The base where I boiled my beef, the remaining soup base of my beef was actually used also for this mashed potato, and I also put some herbs and garlic in it. Then I have here bell pepper, the green bell pepper. What I did here was actually I roasted it because I wanted to get the smoky flavor when you do charring on foods. After I char my bell pepper, I just diced it like this. Then I'll be using cheese. Well, you can use whatever cheese, but I prefer the shredded cheese, so that I just opt to have this shredded cheese. And it's a mixture of cheddar and mozzarella. The mozzarella will just give it the effect that you get when it's hot, and it's like a gooey effect. This cheese also helps bind the ingredients together. If you really want to improve the taste of the smoky taste of this dish, you can also try to have the smoked flavored cheddar cheese. I think they have it, but normal cheddar cheese is fine. Then onion. I love a generous amount of onions. It gives a nice flavor to whatever. I'm a fan of onion. And then I also be using a roasted garlic. It will give it a roasted garlic flavor that will add to the overall flavor of my empanada. And that's the ingredient for the filling. We'll be needing, of course, the flour, and then I'm gonna use lard and salt, and that's it. That's the main ingredients for my crust, or the casing of my empanada. There you go, guys. That's the ingredients for our smoky beef empanada. We're just gonna mix it all together. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix all together the fillings, the ingredients for my fillings. So I'm gonna start with my beef, shredded beef, then onions, and then just mix them all together. Then my roasted garlic. Okay. Then I'm gonna mix this first before I put and then we go with the mashed potatoes. Oh, look at that. Okay. Just mix them all together. So here you go. Just mix it all together. And after that, I'm gonna put my cheese. Look at that, my cheese. Okay, so you just mix it properly, and then your filling is ready. after a few minutes of rolling and and pressing and pulling, and finally I was able to finish the empanada, and this is ready for baking. So you can fry this, but I opt to have to just bake this. So this is the finished product, guys. Yes. So this is the finished product of my beef empanada. Look at that. So actually I cook this inside the air fryer. So I cook this in air fryer because there's something wrong with our oven. So yeah, so this is the finished product. So basically it's like this. Let's see. Look at that. So this is my beef empanada. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, The Tinker and Cook. So for now,